check out Limpy in the chat. We got Limpy in the chat. He wasn't feeling good, but Limpy is back. We got Limpy in the chat. We got Limpy in the chat. He wasn't feeling good, but now Limpy back. Hey, Limpy in the chat. Limpy in the chat. He wasn't feeling good, but now Limpy back. He on the podcast. He about to do the math. On the sweet card, and he acting bad. Puffing on the sweet card, and he acting bad. Limpy in the chat. Ooh, he be bad. Everybody looking like, ooh, they be mad. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. What happened? Where it said?
Good Mexican shit.
Where it said?
Good ass shit. No, they
done turned it off.
Cut it off. That shit be jamming, man.
Yeah, I be jamming the Mexican music sometimes. You got a system in that motherfucker?
Bad motherfucker in his Pinto.
Okay.
Bad motherfucker.
Yeah, he got a bad ass Pinto. Oh shit, I ain't know that was him. Hey,
put your helmet on.
Do you know Limpy?
Yeah, I know Limpy.
Okay, bet. I was just making sure. Okay, I was just making sure. Yeah, that's him. That's him.
LS Killer.
Yeah, this is an LS Killer right here. When I pull that.
LS Killer.
Nah. I gotta get you in that Mustang.
LS Killer.
LS Killer.
LS Killer.
Nah.
Pump gas.
I'm finna get.
Straight motor, no dope. On that one. And then I'm gonna juice the Mustang.
Oh, straight motor versus this.
No dope.
I need to run this then. Yeah, I need to do it.
You right there.
Damn, I think I can get you now. I need to. Damn, man.
I ain't seen it.
Oh, he be driving it.
Yeah, street car.
Just like you.
Just like you do. That's why I said go get yours. You said you can take it.
Yeah, I think I can take it.
Go get it.
Oh, that's 93. I can get you then.
93.
I can get you.
93.
I can beat him. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get him. I heard it got a little sputter in it. I should have got, man, we needed, hey. Man, I'm gonna get him, man. He can't beat my Caprice on the motor. You think he can whoop my Caprice fool?
On the motor?
On the motor. You know his car here is light.
Yeah.
And he got a good motor in there. Nah, ain't no 350 in there. Nah, it ain't no LS. It's an old. I'm finna go. It's locked up in the line. I'm clogged up. Yeah. Okay. Man, I'll whoop this right now, man. This truck ain't that fast. Hey, man, I want to run him. I'm finna run him next. I'm finna get it. I'm gonna park it. I'm be waiting on him. It's clogged up. They ain't gonna let me do. It's 4 cars in. I'm finna pull the car up next. Well, that bitch is trying to get somewhere. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch is pulling. That's on the motor.
That's straight motor. No dope. Straight motor. Go get it.
They're trying to do.
Go and get it.
Go get it.
You said you
have to do a burnout with wood.
Yeah.
Go get that.
Damn. Y'all think I can get his ass? Hold on. Yeah, I'm finna go get it. Yeah. I think I can get him, fool.
Go get it.
Yeah, I'm finna. Yeah, I'm finna go get it, man.
I guarantee you we'll be back when you come back.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna be right there. Yeah.
93 octane.
All right. I'm gonna get y'all.
Go get it.
I'm right there.
I'm telling to let you do. You look out.
Yeah, they already. Y'all gotta let some time go by. I'm finna.
That white one.
I'm finna.
Yeah, I see the white one. Come on down.
He ain't do no glue burn now, so. That mug is running, y'all. I don't know, man. That mug is good. I mean, shit, it was getting it. I ain't gonna lie. It was getting it. And then, see, it was spinning right then and there. But he ain't gonna spin.
Look, Dad, you know I'm just fucking with you now, too.
Yeah, I'm ready. Come on, let's go do it.
I'm just fucking with you.
Come on, we need to do it anyway.
Okay.
Cause I'm thinking about it. Yeah, let's try it anyway. Let's try it anyway, cause it look like a good race. Let's try it anyway. Get him up here for real. We ain't got to, yeah, I ain't gonna spray. No nitrous on here. No nitrous. Come on. Yeah, cause I am kind of scared anyway. It look like it's right up my alley. Yeah, it look like it's gonna run. Yeah, it look like it. It'll be my first race with that with these electric cutouts. Oh, let me turn this air off. Get all I can get out of it. Pop this hood. Let me see what the temperature is now. 199. Okay. Really, it ain't gonna make no difference. By the time I crank it back up, I ain't getting no ice pack. I'm just gonna run it like it is. I'm just gonna run it like it is. Straight off the highway, just turn the AC off. I'm gonna do it just like that. See if I can hold them. They say the truck for the win.
Look what you did. Now we gotta run this.
I gotta run this badass
truck.
Man, this gonna be a good race. Yeah. You think that's a good race? Oh, you think so? Okay, bet. You think I got it? All right, they think I got it, y'all. They think I got it. I'm gonna put that glue down.